Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem Mistplay gift card, right? So basically this can only possible if you use Mistplay application, the mobile application, right? So this is available in few countries, and if you're one of them, then it's great. And you can just download, if you're using Android, you can download it from the Play Store. If you're using App Store or iOS, you can just always download it from the App Store, right? Now after that you have to log in into the Mistplay. So you have to log in by using your account or basically your phone number, or you can also use your Google account to get login. Now navigate to your profile where the Mistplay application is there, right in the bottom right side corner, where you will find this option of your profile icon. You have to tap on it. Now navigate to the redeem, look for an option for redeem or redeem gift card with your profile setting. It's often located in the app's menu bar under account setting or reward. Now enter gift card code. So you have to enter the gift card unique code from your Mistplay gift card into the designated field, and this code is typically found on the back of the physical card or in the email if it's a digital card, right? It will ask you to confirm, then check your balance. Once redeem, you will get the balance. If it is redeemed in your Mistplay, use your credit. You can now use the credit or points from the gift card or redeem rewards within the Mistplay. So this is how you can do it, and I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.